MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper, TireRack.com, and Haggerty.
We've been driving this mid-size 2024 Honda Accord for 9 months, and after rolling the virtual odometer to 19,767 miles, it's sadly pulling out of our long-term lot for the last time. What did we learn? Well, the hybrid powertrain really delivers. We averaged 45.8 miles per gallon from the 2-liter i4 base 2-motor hybrid system, and its 204 horsepower was always more than adequate to get us around town and up to speed quickly on the highway. The very spacious interior is also well laid out and highly functional. All materials held up just fine, and we enjoyed cranking tunes through Touring Trim's 12-speaker Bose sound system. It's also a great-looking sedan, was a quiet and competent long-distance cruiser with seamless transitions between battery and engine power, and fun on the back roads too.
We can't exactly say this Accord made us fall back in love with sedans because we never actually fell out of love with them, and it's been a good reminder that cars can still work for families. Rear seat passengers had no complaints about space, and we didn't have much to gripe about either from the driver's seat, except for the fact that we never totally got used to the regenerative braking feel. But to be fair, we have yet to test the perfect sedan. This Accord Hybrid is pretty close though.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.